up, sunshines? It's Chevanie, aka Simply Chevy. So today I decided to do a video on how to clean off all your makeup when all your plans get canceled and you put on your makeup for no reason. So cleaning off your makeup stress-free and acne-free. So just a little background, I have combination skin, which is basically when you have oily skin in certain areas and also just normal or dry skin in whatever areas. So for me, I have an oily T-zone and I have like pretty normal, and sometimes my skin can be dry, but for the most part it's like normal and oily. I don't have oil on me right now, but normally when I remove my makeup I like to use oil or makeup wipes. And so today I have makeup wipes. It's called Beauty 360 and it says it's for sensitive skin. I have a specific makeup wipes that I like to use, but I needed some makeup wipes last minute. I'm gonna leave a link to the actual wipes that I really love. So when I use the oil on my face, it helps to like easily get in between like all the areas like around your nose. I know some people, they use like crazy glues, like they'll use some hair glue just to glue on some eyelashes, and I know that's really hard to take off because, for example, my big sister tried to do my other sister's eyelashes, and let's just say towards the end those eyelashes did not come off, and so my sister lost a lot of eyelashes. I wish I could show you, it was so sad. I was just like, I told you not to do it. And also we didn't have oil when she was trying to take off those eyelashes, so it was kind of like she was using everything probably but that. So definitely use it if you're trying to get clean off your eyelashes and also for eyebrows. So oil is definitely a great way to just remove your makeup by using your fingers instead of using wipes and all this other stuff. You can use jojoba oil, coconut oil, any type of oil. Jojoba oil is really great because it's similar to our natural sebum, which is basically the oil that our skin produces. Before I take off this makeup, I'm about to try to take a selfie. When your phone is on 6% and you're trying to use Snapchat, just know that your phone's literally about to die. And when I use my makeup wipes, I try to clean my makeup in an upward motion. And so after I put the shea butter on my eyebrows, I'm just going to clean it off. And so next, for cleaning my lips, I just use any old lip balm or oil and I just rub it on my lips. So next I use a skin brush, and today I'm going to be using the Duvolle Radiant Skincare System. That's the normal brush, the exfoliate, body brush, and the pumice. Since I can't take you guys with me, I'm just going to quickly go and wet this brush. My favorite cleanser to use is this gel foaming cleanser, and it's from Lancome, and it's called Gel Radiance. Pretty gentle on my skin, and it feels like it's actually doing something. And this cleanser also does not break me out. With the brush, and make sure that you wet your brush before you put it on. And next you just start spinning.
I also have a 70% off coupon code just for you guys. 70% off on all styling tools and the Radiant Skincare System.
So I barely even started, and look at how much makeup is still on my brush. So that's also why I love using the oil method, because it's like kind of like a prep before you actually really clean off your makeup, and I never really have that much residue, especially not on my brushes. This is the softer brush and this is just the regular normal brush. So I'm about to switch brushes right now, but I basically just exfoliated my face. And I also like to use this brush on my eyebrows just because if I don't have the oil, it actually gets any leftover eyebrow pencil. And it's important to clean your eyebrows whenever you have makeup on it because you can clog the pores and I've seen like some people will get bumps over here, and that is just, it's not cute, and it hurts getting a pimple right on your eyebrows. It's gonna cause a bald spot in your eyebrows. My face feels baby smooth after exfoliating and doing the normal cleanser. Oh my god, I wish you guys could feel my face right now. It feels so good. So usually when I use masks, I don't like to do everything, you know, on the same day. When it comes to like cleaning my face, I like to do it like maybe the day after. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to show you guys. But this is basically one of my steps when it comes to cleaning my face, which is just adding a mask just to bring all that moisture back into my face. And also it's kind of fun. So in the meantime, I'm just going to use my Lush Bubblegum Exfoliator. And I'm just going to use this to exfoliate my lips. And if you guys have not tried Lush before, they're all natural. I love using this, and it really just makes my lips really soft. So now it's time to take off this mask. Normally when my face feels dry, I like to use shea butter on my face. I don't like using any type of products just to moisturize my face because it never really works for me. Like my face will still stay dry, and then also certain products also break me out, especially if it has fragrance in it. I ended up getting soft and glowy skin, and this literally feels like I spent $100 just to go to the spa just so they could, you know, clean my face and all that extra stuff that nobody has time for or the money. So yeah, let me know if you guys have tried a skincare system or any type of brush. I don't know, Vanity Planet, if you guys have tried Duvolle before. But honestly, they all feel the same to me, between this one and the Vanity Planet one. But yeah, so definitely let me know if you guys have tried Duvolle or if you guys have tried Vanity Planet, and also what's your skincare routine. Comment down below. And I mean, if this works for you, it works. If it don't, you probably miss a step, or no, we probably just have different types of skin. So but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up, comment down below, and turn on your post notifications. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, mwah. See you later, sunshines. And comment, let me know what you guys want to see next.